It's 12 a.m. You can catch me on my grind, boy. Up all night, right until I see that sunshine, boy. This the front line, boy. I hope you brought your guns and all that shit you claiming, cause there ain't nowhere to run. I'm a savage on these beats. I'm a wolf to all you sheep. I'm the monster in your sheets, man. I'm the soul that never sleeps. I'm the bastard that you hate. I'm the master to you slaves. Watch me plaster all your brains to this picture that I paint. Fuck a major label deal, independent as can be. Can you tell me how it feels when I fuck the mainstream? Shit, I'm sick of all these snakes. Don't give but they'll take. They'll say name and grace, but straight piss on your grave. I don't really trust the soul, I trust in myself. I'll put trust in God, but never ask for help. I'll probably die slow, a tombstone of gold. I'll let my life be told through this music I wrote. Shit, I'm walking down this road. This wind blown is cold. These friends turn to foes, so I never keep them close. Hell, I'm living life to the fullest, exploring life like a tourist. You had the chance, you blew it. Now it's my turn to pursue it. I'm killing shit every second. Get straight to it, no question. I make music, you make stupid. Do you understand that lesson? Grade A student, this is the movement. Get the fuck up out my section, nigga.